Will you be able to fix it?
Absolutely.
How are you so confident you haven't even started yet?
Well, I'm going to fix it no matter what. You have to be confident.
All right. What is that you just took off?
That is a top plate. It keeps this, and I'm going to take this guard off. I'm looking in here. So this is what I'm looking for, this fuse here. This is the common cause of these microwaves stop working. The first thing you got to do is make sure you turn off the power, whether it be the breaker, and unplug it and leave it sitting probably for about 24 hours before you start pulling this apart, because the power is still in some of the stuff in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, test it, and if it's not working, that's the obvious thing I'm going to try and fix first before I start playing with any of the other pieces on it. And then I'm going to find out why that fuse blew. So using the multimeter, I'm just going to test to see if the fuse is blown, and there is no power going through the fuse, so we know the fuse is blown. So that's the obvious thing we're going to replace first.
While Bar is figuring out all that stuff, I gave the microwave a quick wash. Nothing. Thanks. Here's the plate going back in. No matter when you open your microwave, it's always filthy, isn't it? Even if you've cleaned it. Were you able to find it?
Yeah, so this is what I have.
Yeah.
And this is what I need. This is a 20 amp fuse. So I'm going to buy a pack of 2 for $4. So hopefully the whole cost of repairing the microwave will be $4.63.
Woohoo!
Right. So here's the solution to the problem. We bought a new fuse, actually a pack of 2 at Home Depot, and I'm going to install that now, and hopefully that will be the solution to the microwave not working. Okay, now I'm going to install the fuse, and hopefully just click it into place, like so. Okay, we're done.
Wow.
Okay, this is just a guard here, putting back on. Set that on like so. As I put this back on. All right, so 3 screws in the top.
Am I handing you the other screw?
No, I have it in my hands.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right. And the last thing we need to do is actually plug it back in again. And there you go.
Awesome. Brilliant job, Bar. Brilliant job.
It's $4.63 repair.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Brilliant.